Okay, in this example, I'm going to show you guys how to find missing parts or missing factors that need to, so to speak, be in the problem in order to get us our answer. And so you can see right here, this is our missing part, our missing term or factor. And so we want to figure out what can we multiply here in the pink highlighted parentheses times this guy right here, these two terms, in order to get an answer of what we're highlighting in yellow. Well, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to multiply these two guys first here. So start with your big numbers here. 1 times 25 is 25. And then remember, whenever we're multiplying with exponents, we add the little numbers or the little exponents together. A to the third times a to the second, that would give me a to the fifth. And b to the third times no other b's would be b to the third. Then we will write down our missing part. And this is the answer. This is our result that we want. A to the sixth, b to the fifth. Now, most of you are going to get good enough to where you know that if you're taking what we have on the right, I'll highlight in green. We're taking 25a to the fifth, b to the third times something. If we want to know what that times something is or work backwards, couldn't we just simply divide what we have highlighted in green with what we have highlighted in yellow? And we could actually do this in our head here. Let's do 75 divided by 25. If I do 75 divided by 25, that's going to give me a value of 3. Then let's do our rules or our laws of exponents. If I have a to the sixth divided by a to the fifth, that's going to give me a to the first. And then b to the fifth divided by b to the third is going to give me b to the second. Now, if you can't do that, if you can't see that at this point, well, watch what happens here. I'm going to simply take 3ab squared and put it in the parentheses over here. And I'll erase this. And then let's multiply this out like we normally would. 25, here we go, 25 times 3, that gives me 75. A to the fifth times a to the first, that gives me a to the sixth. B to the third times b to the second gives me b to the fifth. And so we know we're 100% correct. Now, you could also do it like this when you're dividing. Take your answer right here, 75 a to the sixth, b to the fifth, divided by 25 a to the fifth, b to the third, and that'll look pretty familiar to you. So I'm giving you a few options here. Most of you will be able to do this in your head. But if you're not at that point yet, then you can set it up as a fraction here and just simply simplify it. And then if we simplify it like we normally do, start with your numbers. 3. If I have 6 A's on top and 5 on bottom, that leaves me with 1 up top. 5 B's up top, 3 on bottom, that leaves me with 2 up top. And you can see that I'm still left with my same answer. So that's how you would find missing factors.